So basically, on a very unfortunate evening of 19th December 2019, my younger brother of just 4 years old was kidnapped, and then he was brutally murdered within a time span of 4 days, and then he was murdered by four culprits: Hamza Jangli, Asad Mumtaz, Yasir Chaudhry, and Aftab Zafar. All four of them were arrested by the police, and then we fought for the justice of the Session Court of Pakistan. They declared death penalty for all three of them, and set one of them free based upon the doubt, and then they went into High Court in order to appeal for the case. Then the High Court maintained that cruelty, they maintained that death sentence, and we were very happy and satisfied that at least somebody is getting justice in this country. And then they pleaded again at the Supreme Court. We were very hopeful that Supreme Court will keep the decision upheld, because there is no way you can let this gruesome and heinous crime just go away. There is no way you can let these killers walk free. There is absolutely no way. It is against the safety of children in Pakistan. You cannot kill a defenseless, selfless, helpless 4-year-old child. Then Supreme Court sent a shockwave across the nation. We were very shocked and very disappointed, and we absolutely reject this decision by the Supreme Court, which is done by a bench led by Justice Hashim Kakar, and it has converted their death sentence into life imprisonment. And we know what life imprisonment in Pakistan. We never know when they're set free again. And setting a killer free is giving a license to kill. They will come back again. A potential killer, a potential murderer will see this decision, will see this order, and he will feel hopeful. He will feel happy. He will not stop. He will not fear the justice system and law of this country. He will continue his plans of kidnapping kids and murdering kids, and he will end up killing those children. So it is not just about Umar. It is not just about that we are dying here to give him justice. He is going to get justice anyway, if not in this world, then in the hereafter. I have firm belief in Allah Almighty. There is absolutely no way they're going to leave the jail alive, and they're going to come out of the jail alive. But the justice system of this Pakistan, where is it? Where we should go in order to get the justice? So for potential criminals, for potential killers, for people who are planning to become these, it should be an order to send a fear shockwave across them. It should send a message to the potential Hamzas and potential Asads and potential Yasirs and potential
many others.
Aftabs. Yes, and they will not kill and murder any other. That is our ultimate purpose.
You did not mention what was the main purpose. Why they kidnap your younger brother?
So basically, all of them have different reasons, but the most important reason
You
was
should
that
mention